Hey Siri, call Jello. The ability to just lay down and command something to play you music or turn on the lights, just like if you're a king or queen, well, artificial intelligence can do that. It might be strange for those who are not used to it or for those who just think that artificial intelligence are going to create more robots and destroy the world. But either way, we have to adapt to it because it's going to come sooner or later. First, I remember seeing AI as just a robot, literally a mechanical machine made by metal, just moving very slowly, or that are used just for production. But through time, I found that they are much more than just that. I remember seeing Iron Man in movies and how he would command his computer to do such amazing, awesome, and important tasks. And I remember how the Flash used to just turn on his suit by just asking his computer, and I thought that was amazing. Today, I'll tell you about the purposes that artificial intelligence play in today's society. First, I'll describe how artificial intelligence has acted as a beneficial factor to emerging technologies, and second, I'll discuss the cons of AI. Today, we have seen how AI has been adapting its way to society, but the reason being is because it's intelligent. AI has acted as the main driver of emerging technologies such as big data, robotics, and IoT, and it will continue to act as such a technological innovator. AI has saved countless working hours, and with its astonishing and data collecting speeds. And this is significantly good because it'll affect of us the workers being able to work less of the harsher jobs. According to Gavin Gardner from Towards Data Science, he states that AI can be used to analyze large amount of data to draw conclusion reports. But if the same things were to be done by a human, it would take a significantly longer time to do compared to of what an AI can do. Also, data by an AI is far more accurate than a human, and the reporting time is way faster. The possibility of an AI having an error is slim, but the possibility of a human having an error is far more common. Unlike a human, AI don't need a rest. According to the US Bureau of Labor Statistic, the average full-time working American works for about 8 hours and a half a day. AI can work 24 hours a day. And I saw this photo and I thought this reminded me of it from as you can see from the left, the robot's drinking coffee to make it stay up all night. And that's what I like to think when I hear that AI could work 24/7. 15 and a half, AI could work 15 and a half hours longer than the average American. And it could produce the same performance and consistency throughout the whole day, just like the average American, or probably even better. It improves efficiency of business, allowing them to the industry to run smoother, of quicker, and more efficient. AI may be faster than humans on many things, but there are downsides to it. Once AI starts taking over this technological world, there are going to be less and less jobs. According to Hawks from the World Economic Forum, there is going to be a chance that 30% of existing jobs across the OECD are going to be taken over by artificial intelligence by the mid 2030s. As a technological as technology continues to progress, there is going to be a point where I believe that there is going to be a similar industrial revolution. This is going to be a big disadvantage for us as AI continues to progress because it reduces the need of humans interference, and this may be a good thing for organizations, but it's a nightmare for us who are employees. As we move into high technology, it may lead to the cause of humans becoming lazy in the workforce, obviously. With the statistics from Pew Research Center, 46% of digital mature organizations say that they use a defined AI strategy. Original work is being mastered by robotics and by AI, and humans are depending too much on AIs, which cause us to lose our skill sets of just knowing basic mathematics, science, and even critical thinking. And one day, perhaps when technology gets greater, or probably it could be next year, we might turn out to be like the people from Wally that just depend on AI 100% as they're in space, and that's gonna be a disaster. In conclusion, I explained the purposes of that of what AI brings today in today's society in what way that we did not know of before. I describe how artificial intelligence has acted as the main driver of emerging technologies and discuss the main driver of its cons. The next time you think about an AI, you won't think just how I thought of a mechanical, rusty metal thing that is moving super slow, but as an intelligence that can build the future that we strive for in the future. Well, obviously, in the future. It brings us great results, yet it brings us great disasters as well. Wait, hey Siri, hang up.